Hey there, are you ready to make some money? In this video, number 3 in our Make Money Online series, we're discussing ways to open an online shop and sell. Many of the things you heard about affiliate marketing in video 1, method 1, can be applied to this method, which is number 12 in our series,
How to Make Money Online.
Hey, it's not the 20th century anymore. It's time to learn to work from home or from wherever you choose to and make a passive income that allows you to do the things you love to do.
Starting an online store is fairly easy. Most places that host these stores make it simple. A few places to look at are eBay, Amazon, Shopify, Etsy. Today I'm going to show you how to start an Etsy shop. So it's pretty simple. Let's get going.
Go to Etsy.com. Scroll all the way to the bottom. At the bottom, find the Sell on Etsy link and click on that. On the next window that pops up, click Get Started. On the next window, click Let's Do This. The next page asks you what brings you to Etsy. You have 4 choices, so pick the one that fits you best. I chose the I'm just starting to sell for the first time ever option, so you could see where it takes you when you are inexperienced. Then hit Next. Here you can choose if there's anything they can help you learn or set up. You just check as many boxes as you want and hit Next. In the video, I didn't click anything, but it just takes you to start your shop. I went ahead and just clicked Next and then Start Your Shop. The next page asks you some simple questions. Answer those and click Save and Continue. Now name your shop. Be sure not to put any spaces in the name. I did at first and had to delete them before I could get it approved. Finally, it asks you to create a listing, your first item for sale, and tons and loads about its description and pictures or videos. Videos are best. Try to show your item being used or worn or whatever is appropriate. I left off there because I didn't have anything ready to go in my shop just yet. I plan to start a print-on-demand shop, but I need to have a few more designs ready to go before I can open up the shop. Be watching for the Havanese Hepcat on Etsy. Coming soon. Anyway, just explore around on Etsy, click on those things it asks you if it can help you with. When you get to that page, you'll feel more and more confident about it as you go along. By the way, do you see that Etsy has both affiliates and creators? When you get to the Etsy site, if you'll scroll down all the way to the bottom like we did for the Sell on Etsy link, you'll also find an affiliates and creators link. It'll take you to the page where you can choose which one to apply for, as you see here. Let me tell you, Etsy turned me down as an affiliate, and in the same message told me to apply for a creator spot instead because they thought that would suit me better. That was a very helpful and friendly thing to do, and I'll be applying to that in the near future.
If you're finding this video helpful and informative, please hit that like button below now. Our goal is to find something for you that suits you, and we have several ideas. For now, back to this video summary. Method 12 is an online shop. Option A would be where you sell anything from t-shirts to bookmarks, whatever you can find in the available catalogs of items at whichever site that you choose for a print-on-demand service. I use CustomCat and Gelato. So print-on-demand services can not only handle the printing of your items, they will also mail your items. They do the shipping. All you have to do is design the items, and it's a pretty cool deal where you never have to stock inventory. You only design whatever it is you like, put it up there, and they take care of the details. Another print-on-demand service that I thought was really cool, but I'm not using at the moment, is Applique. because they do some pretty nice things with your designs, including embroidery. For ideas and inspiration for designs, whether it be t-shirts, socks, bookmarks, stickers, wedding invitation, journals and planners, whatever it is. There's some sites out there to see. Try Dribbble.com, Pinterest.com, or Designspiration.com. Or ask ChatGPT, see what it suggests. To find free shapes or pictures and other graphics to use, you can check out websites like rawpixel.com, unsplash.com, pixabay.com, and pexels.com. To create the designs you'll upload to use on the print demand service, you can use services like Canva or Bisme or Kittle. Personally, we use Corel Paint Shop Pro Ultimate because we had it to use in another business and already had it. We have a custom laser artwork business that will eventually make its debut, but not just yet. Finally, you'll complete your design on a CustomCat or Gelato print-on-demand catalog item and list it for sale in your shop. Pretty simple, isn't it? Not only that, the companies who set this up make it easy with customer service and frequently ask questions to help you along the way.
In this clip, you'll see me navigating through starting an account with CustomCat. This is, of course, not the whole thing you'll need to do, but it will be enough to get you started. Go to CustomCat.com, go to Print on Demand, and then on the drop-down menu, choose POD for business, and again choose POD for selling online. Then click on Start Selling. At this point, it took me to sign in since I hadn't done that already. I signed in with Google. Then I went first to connect with Store. Since I had just signed up for a store on Etsy, I connected to that one. You have to give it permission to connect once you've told it to connect. It did its thing and took me back to my settings page. There in the upper right-hand corner was the name of my Etsy shop. Then I decided to go ahead and create something. I looked at the options on the first page. Not the only things they have, by the way. You have to get on and explore. Learn it for yourself. Then I checked out the menu on the left just to see what it was. I found the place to upload a design and clicked on that. It was easy to upload. It was a simple drag and drop. It took me a minute to realize that I could have uploaded a bunch of designs all at once. Then, since I only wanted the one for now, I hit the upload button. This is my dog, Canine Triple Threat. He's the inspiration for the Havanese Hepcat. He's so waggish. Look it up. Anyway, this is a picture David took of him and then made it look like a painting on his phone with its photo editing tools. Anyway, I then went to my design library and there was my uploaded pic. Now, back to the items I could apply this design to. I chose the 15-ounce coffee cup because it was the largest one I saw there on that page. It wasn't really big enough for me. I like at least 24 ounces, but hey, I wasn't actually going to order it anyway. Just getting familiar with the site right now. It took me a minute to figure out how to access designs, but it was a simple click on the design right on the item. I had another opportunity to upload a design if I had wanted to, and the choice to pick from my library. So there's Canine. It put it on my cup. Apparently the picture is so big that it is a wraparound. I had envisioned placing him on both sides. Not sure I can do that yet, but I think I can on the custom placement option. I fooled around with that a little while, figured out a couple of ways to minimize the size of the picture, and then decided I wanted to try this same design with his head cropped out of the background. Meanwhile, back on the catalog page, there was my coffee cup design. Then I figured out how to delete it, since I wasn't going to use that cup and that design together. So that was basically my first romp around CustomCat. I thought it was pretty easy to navigate, and I think you'll find the same.
What if designing is a little too daunting for you? If you're not that much of an artist or don't have an eye for the design that you prefer to have, that's okay, because option B takes the need for that away. Option B requires a little bit different kind of research than option A. With option A, you'll want to see what the hot new trends are, maybe what the indie trends like at bpop.com. But for option B, you'll want to see what more popular items are selling on Amazon. Then you can go to Alibaba to order the very same item for a whole lot less. You can turn around and list it for sale in your shop at the Amazon price. And when it sells, you can order it from Alibaba and they drop ship it for you. Again, you never have to handle any inventory. Are you a little more hands-on than these options? Do you want to handle the inventory and the shipping and the charging customers? Then option C is the one for you. Because with option C, you'll sell items that you buy from garage sales or used bookstores, antique shops, junk shops, wherever you find them, and upsell them. You can use an Amazon store for this. The Amazon Seller Central app, a tool available to Amazon sellers, can show you how much something is worth on Amazon. And then you can sell it in your shop. If it's worth enough to make you some dough, it's worth enough to try. So this could work for many things. Antique books, antique glassware, china, ceramic, vintage clothing. You name it, whatever you choose, if you go this route, it'll take more time and more effort than the previous two options. This option will require acquiring knowledge of your chosen category of items or the niche, and the responsibility of shipping and handling falls on you too. Perhaps the best option of all is option D, selling digital products from your store. What digital items, you ask? Well, to begin with, how about website templates? You could use squarespace.com for that. Use Squarespace to complete a template with the style your client wants. Also have a few to show in your shop just to download off the rack, as it were. If web design isn't up your alley, try selling a different digital products, such as patterns for needlework or woodwork or different kinds of designs there. Any kind of instructions where you have a knowledge that will sell to hobbyists and to others who are wanting to learn. Digital products cost nothing to deliver, as they're sent straight to an email, which you get from the customer. You ask for it, they give it to you, and you'll gather the email addresses through a funnel as you go. Here's where that affiliate marketing video's information can help you. Now you have a list of emails to which you can send updates, a newsletter, or other notifications about your shop. It's a great way to get repeat customers. Of course, you'll want to do the same thing with your print-on-demand, drop shipping, or physical item shop. In all modes of shop, be sure to get those emails. I believe most of the shop sites have a system for gathering your customers' emails. You can also see Aweber for a great autoresponder system, and ClickFunnels for creating that address gathering webpage, the funnel, or see System.io for a combination autoresponder and funnel. Both options are wonderful. If you missed video 1 about affiliate marketing, a link to that will be in the description of this video, as will all of the links mentioned above. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. It's our goal to help you succeed at whatever legitimate business that you want to do online, or at least help you find ways of getting your money or other assets working for you. Catch us next time when we discuss methods 15 and 17. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you don't miss a thing.